Are you my new friend? Yeah. Yeah. So exciting. I just finished my very first session in the new studio space. Monique here of Silver Paw Studio, founder of ProPetPhotog. And this is the video of the very first session I got to do in this new studio space I'm not even officially open in. Behind the camera is so many unpacked boxes and paint supplies and half-built shelves. But we made it work, we made it work. This is for a HABIC dog session, so Human Animal Bond in Colorado. They do different de-stress events and therapy, that kind of thing with their dogs. These are volunteer teams, and I volunteer to photograph them for the little trading cards. I've talked about that on this channel before. So there was just this really friendly old golden retriever.
Callie, are you a good dog?
Yeah. Yeah. So I just set up like a regular brown, no, I don't know. That's kind of a really, really, really light tan. Set. It's not a very wide piece of paper, Savage paper there, but we made it work. It was just the one person and the one dog, and we used the little stool, and we used the new ottoman I got. I got an ottoman at Goodwill, actually, and it's much deeper than my old ottoman, so it's much easier for a golden retriever to get up on and feel comfortable on. So that was pretty nice to be able to use the ottoman for the first time and really set up the whole backdrop and the lights in this space for the very first time. So what I decided when I set this up is to put the light on that side closer to the wall, because I knew that we'd be using this space to walk around more. So let me show you. I thought we would walk this way with the dogs more often than walking the other way around. So I put the light, am I in the shot? Okay, yeah, I put this light more closer to that wall instead of closer to all the cabinetry that's here. So that worked out pretty good. I think everyone was pretty comfortable in there. I probably could have moved things over a little bit more. So there's some tweaking definitely that needs to do, but I think it worked out okay. And it's at the far side of the studio, so the ambient light helped with focusing, but it didn't spill into the images. I'm pretty happy with it overall. Yeah. So enjoy all the footage from this short session. We spent most of our time really just chatting and talking about how she got her dog and the things that they do. And it was a grand time here in the not quite open Silver Paw Studio space in Fort Collins. I teach a lot of other pet photographers, and they're so excited to see this space. All right. Well, my dear, what do you think?
Hold on.
Come here, Callie. Come here. Come here, sweetie. She seems like she's gonna be just fine here. Wait.
Wait, baby, wait. Stay. Callie.
Oh, it's so good. Yes, good girl.
Wait.
Stay. Wait. Wait. Get this a little bit closer to her.
Stay, stay.
Good girl. There we go. Good job. Okay. Okay.
Come here, you want a cookie?
There you go. You want a cookie? Come here. Get a cookie from Mom. Sit down.
Okay. Oh boy. There you go.
You're so funny. You're so cute. Do you want some pictures with Mom? Yay! Okay, so what I'm going to do is have you sit on this stool so you're kind of close to her, unless you want to sit on the floor.
No,
but that's
I
kind of a hard floor, don't you think? Yeah.
Sit.
Oh, nice. Okay, knees together, Joanna.
You stay.
There we go. You can cross your ankles if you'd like.
You stay.
Oh, all these sounds. Find my app. Right here, Joanna, right here. Nice. She did the head tilt.
She did?
Yeah, she's doing the cute head tilt. Let me put her bandana on for a couple of these.
Okay, yeah. Wait, you stay here with me.
Yeah.
You stay here with me.
Let's see if she'll inch forward just a little bit without jumping off, or is she too unsure? All right. Callie, you're doing such a good job. What's that? Ooh, do I need a different one? Right here? Nice. I'm so honored that she was the first one to have a session in here.
Ah, great.
Yeah. I'm going to send this with you.
Good. Come on.
I'll get more from home.
Good girl.
Yay! So I hope you enjoyed my very first brief photo session here in my new studio space. And I'll see you in the next one. As always, I wish you many woofs, purrs, and TREATSs.